This is really hard work. One, two, three, four, five. That session was over. That was exhausting. That was really hard work. Oh gosh, this car is so big. I need a smaller car. Careful, careful. Oh, that was tight. Beep, 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 beep. Phew, that was exhausting, but I'm getting a little bit more strong going to the gym. Hi, Skipper. What are you doing? Well, I'm on my phone and everyone's doing their own thing. This is so hard. I mean, 16 times 7. Woohoo! This is so fun! Annabelle, stop! I'm trying to have a sleep in. You're making so much noise down here. No way! This is so fun! Hey girls! Stop jumping on the bed! No! Na 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 boo boo, na 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 boo boo. Those little rascals, I'm trying to do something important. Well, it's a busy house. Anyway, I really struggled to get out the parking this morning. Can you help me find a new car? Sure. Now let's start searching. Oh, I like that one. No, that's too expensive. Oh, how about that one? That one's beautiful. Oh, that's too much money. Oh, how about that one? That one's... Oh, that's way too expensive. Don't worry, Mum. Maybe if we are patient, we'll find the right car. Still in the van. That car! I need that car. I'm going to follow her. La-da-da, la-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Wow, I love this song. Hey, Brooklyn! Annabelle? What are you doing here? I really like your car. Thanks. I'm just about to sell it. What? Nabu, are you okay? I'm fine. So, when are you selling this car? Tomorrow. What the? She's strange. Skipper! What is it, Mum? I know the right car, what I want. Let's look it up, quick. Quick, it's up for sale, quick. Okay, let's look it up. Oh, it's perfect. Hello? Oh, hello. Are you here to buy a car? Yes. What car are you going to choose? One you're sitting on. Like this one? Yes. Oh, Brooklyn just bring this in a minute ago. It's just for sale. I know. I followed her home this morning. I love this new car. Hey, sis. What is it? Just to say, I'm going in the car tomorrow. All the time. You're not. I am. No, I am. Shh. Girls, be quiet. Everyone's sleeping. I just remembered. I got gymnastics tomorrow. I'm going in Mummy's new car. I'm going to Rose's house tomorrow. I'm going in Mummy's new car. Oh, I got a guitar lesson tomorrow. Maybe I could go in Mum's new car. I love my new car. But we want to go in a new car, not this stupid van. But there's no room for everyone. Oh, brother.